What up, it's Dirty Dan the Man, and we're back for another video. So for this video, I'm gonna be vlogging the whole vlog on the new Samsung Galaxy. I want to give it a try to see how it looks and how, if it looks any different from the iPhone. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it looks good. This is my first time even recording a full entire video on a Galaxy. So we're getting in the car because I gotta take the wheels back. If you guys don't know, my friend let me borrow the wheels, but I'm gonna give it back to him because I went through a little incident where I went through a pothole and I bent to one of the wheels. So I'm about to go swap out the wheels, and also the wheels are making my DCT run really crappy, so I'm gonna do that. I'm going to Burbank right now. Also, for those that don't know, I straight piped the M6. I believe I have little resonators still in the middle. Haven't taken those out, but they're really tiny. I don't know if they'll do any difference. But yeah, so basically it's almost straight pipe besides those little resonators. They're really tiny. Yeah, I haven't done a full video on that because I lost all the old clips I had before I did the muffler delete. So, but there's a lot of drone in here, and I always hated drone. Also, I'm gonna take the road cage off just because I can't put my seats back, and maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna sell the M6 too. We're gonna see. Alright guys, I'm like 13 minutes away from the destination. It's cool having two phones because like a vlog on the Galaxy, well, the iPhone's connected to the Apple CarPlay. But yeah, I really like the wheels that Devin let me borrow. I'll put his Instagram down below so you guys can check him out. But I really appreciate him letting me borrow the wheels and stuff, because the car, it made the car look so much better. And I should get some wheels of my own if I was planning to keep it for longer. But since I am in the kind of in the middle, like, should I sell it, should I not sell it? Like, I love the car, I really love it, but this whole journey of me buying cars from when I started buying cars to now, it was just to get better cars and better cars and better cars and so on, and I keep moving forward. And like, there's a bunch of cars that I still want, so I think it's only right. So oh shoot, I never seen the electric G-Wagon till today. I guess you could tell it's electric with the square box in the back. It looks the same, but it's electric. But you can tell it's electric because of the square tire instead of having the circle one. Oh, you guys can't see no more. See, this is the cool thing about the Galaxy. I could flip it to the back camera without having to pause the video like on the iPhone when I'm vlogging on the iPhone. And I did pick up another camera, which is a Sony something Mark II. It comes tomorrow, so I'm gonna give that a try just because I can't get used to the DJI as much as I wanted it to. But the problem too with the DCT, I don't think it's not doing it right now, but it usually jumps, like the RPMs start moving like kind of weird. And yeah, I gotta do that. I also gotta do an oil change, spark plugs, and so on. The maintenance came that I have to do, like big stuff, not really big stuff, but the spark plugs and the coils. But yeah, we're about 9 minutes away from the location. I'll show you guys the wheel, how I bent it. I'll show some images too, because I took some pictures in case you guys can't see it on video. But yeah, we'll be there in 8 minutes, and I'll show you guys as soon as I get there. Something about that Prius, man, it looks so good like that. It looks crazy nice. But I got the car back already. I should wash it but it's still gonna be raining here in LA. Got the car back. It looks, or if not looks, it feels like it's running better. I didn't get to record the wheel for you guys, but I do have some pictures so you guys can see and how it looks. But I'm looking for somewhere to park right now because I'm gonna have to go on OfferUp and find a used wheel ASAP, because the front wheel on the right is gone. So gotta stop somewhere and try to find a wheel in this area, if not in my area whatsoever. Because you could find some really good wheels like on OfferUp and stuff like that. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm driving out here in Burbank. Man, they don't have Starbucks like in every corner, like in my area. but I gotta check that out. Alright, so I went to go get oil because almost nobody carries 10W60, but this O'Reilly's had them on display. Look at this Lambo. Thing is nice. O'Reilly's, because O'Reilly's is the only one that carries that 10W60 castor oil, and that's the one I use in the car since it's tuned. It burns way slower because it's obviously thicker. Yeah, but it was cool that this O'Reilly's had them on display. Like usually all the O'Reilly's that I go to, they have them behind the counter, so I gotta ask for them. It's a little bit more expensive. It's about like 14-15 bucks for one single quart, but like I said, it burns way slower. And I do gotta do an oil change on this car ASAP, so damn, this guy just cut me off. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I'm looking for a drive-through Starbucks right now so I can pull up. I'll probably just head home. Alright, so I made it to Starbucks. You know, I always gotta get Starbucks. The sky looks fake as hell on the Galaxy. Damn. Likes too much exposure. This does look crazy. I could do a record. But anyways, it's just the drink that I get. I know they're looking at me funny because who orders a drink like this? Matcha. They changed the recipe of matcha at Starbucks, so it tastes different now. Go 1 series. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna head home because Kevin never replied. So if you're watching this, Kevin, thank you for not replying. Nice Urus. I think that's the Urus SE if I'm not mistaken. But the car seems to be back to normal. DCT's not doing the thing that it was doing before. Yeah, I don't think it's doing it. So now I'm obsessed with this feature on the recording from the back and the front. But yeah, I just had some lunch with Kevin. Driving back home, you guys can see terrible amount of time on the freeway just to get 17 miles. But I saw all them a Bentley. You guys see Bentley? It's a nice ass Bentley. A lot of Uruses. Oh man, I have a call. But a lot of Uruses that I've been seeing, it's probably a sign. Ever since I drove that Urus, I've been seeing them everywhere. I made nice. But let me know what type of content you guys want to see on the M6, or should I start car shopping, or what car should I get next? Because one of the cars that I kind of want is dead on content. That's gonna have zero content whatsoever, or I don't know, but it's just what I think. It's one of 2015 S550. I want an S63, but it might be a little bit off the budget right now. But an S550, yeah, I always wanted one of those cars. And let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty sure the only thing that you could do to it is like bag it, put some wheels on it, and make it like super dope looking. But yeah, oh damn, I'm getting on the wrong freeway. Alright guys, this whole video was pretty much me just driving and talking. Still have a cough from when I was sick, but I'm obsessed with this feature where it's the dual screen. You could talk and you guys can see like the background of the car. You can see the ambient lighting in here. If it looks too clean here, it's because I lost my window tint when I was doing the dash cam that I haven't put on, but I ruined it, so I still got to get that. That's why it looks so clear in here. Also, I need gas. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what car I should be getting next. What do you guys think is a next option for the M6 to be gone? But other than that, it's been Dirty Dan, and I'm out. Peace.
She with a P in the lay at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Helping the P out, some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.